So I think you're getting a gist. There's a lot more things you can do. I just wanted to give you a beginner introduction. I think you get the point. You just come. If you can't find, your basic cover, a lot of the most popular ones are here. Social media. You're going to want to do an Instagram. You want to do an Instagram post. Again, there's the templates. Change the pictures. Post to Instagram. Really easily. 100% free. I don't pay for anything you've shown you in this video. Sorry. I paid for something in this video. But if you use your own images, use your own text in your own, use the basic fonts, but you obviously your own writing, there's nothing to pay for. The basic templates are really cool. They're not basic at all. They're a lot funky. They're very funky, National Hugging Day. So many ideas, so many things. You can put this up. Christmas has just gone past. They're going to make these designs relevant to the time of year. So if it's near Mother's Day, there's probably a lot of Mother's Day things, Valentine's Day, stuff like that. You will get those sort of templates coming up first. But I think it's really, really cool. I use it every day, and thanks to the Canva team for providing such a cool tool, free to everybody. Any questions, write in the comments. There's probably a lot of things I've missed. I just wanted to give you a beginner introduction. Start with Canva. Save yourself a lot of time. Save yourself some money because it's free. And as I say, ask me any questions. Have a great day and rest of the year. And if you've got anything else you want me to do an introduction on, write in the comments and I will jump on it. Cheers.